All right, I'm at my job site. It's early in the morning, nobody's here. That's where we're at. And there's our new condensing unit right here. It's medium temp. This was an old freezer. We're gonna be taking this one out right here. See, there's a bunch of broken glass and all kinds of stuff around it. That one's for a different walk-in box. So let me get the gauges on here, see if there's anything we need to recover out of it. And we'll get started on the outdoor part first. Look, I got that old beater out and there's a glove stuck on the condenser. That's funny. And I did a little house cleaning in there and got that tidied up over there. We'll get the new one in there and then we'll get it piped up and wired up. And then hopefully by then someone shows up and I can start ripping out the evap coil in there. I'll show you guys that. This one's gonna be 404A medium temp. Okay, so I got the unit fitted in. I got the electrical hooked up. So what I gotta do is I gotta remove a part of this suction line. You'll see there was an old suction dryer up there. It's all rusted out. And then it looks like at one point in time they had it teed somewhere else. So I'm gonna cut that out too. And we'll cut it back here. Look at this. I'll show you guys the power of the ocean. This was a Vibrazorb clamp. You can peel it off with your fingers. Power of the ocean. Look at that. The ocean's right there. Beep. That salt air just eats it up. I'm gonna ask you guys if you ream your pipe or not. If not, that's what it looks like. Let me go ahead and ream it and I'll show you after we ream it what it looks like. You gotta ream your pipe. All right, there it is after it's reamed. All nice and pretty. I can zoom in right there. Funky camera angle. There it is right there. So let's see if it came with any nitrogen in it. From the factory. I mean, what the hell? This, hey Copeland, this is disgusting. Unbelievable. 2 for 2. The old freezer. Right here. And we're gonna turn it into walk-in refrigerator. And I'm just gonna start all over and get rid of all this stuff. See, the drain line had a heater on its freezer coil. Old school. So let me get this out of there. We'll start the demo. Coil's old timer, the old Snyder General, 1987. This thing's been doing refrigeration as long as me. I'm telling you, that old stuff, man, it would hold up. Oh, man. All right, let's get this out of here. There it is with the old coil pulled out. Got the heater tape off the drain line. I left one wire in here I'm going to use as the fish tape for the pull wire. So we can put our green, white, and black right here. Pull it into the box over to there. That's going to be our new Bony Maroni. There's my pile of Meow Mix right there. There's the old coil. And we'll get this new one in and piped in. This guy in the vacuum pump, I got fresh vacuum pump oil going. That's how she came out right there. Used some soft copper today, scraps that I had. We'll just see how the microns are looking. And we'll get ready for startup. I'll show you how the inside came out. That's it, 703 microns and drop in. That's the only place I could get the micron gauge today. All right, my micron gauge is upside down. We're down to 438 microns. let it go a little bit longer and see how she does. That's right here at the evap coil. And you can see it's fighting the battle. Goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. We'll let it go a bit longer and see where we come out at. Then we'll get our we'll get it charged up and check our superheat. Tiny little box. Took about 3 pounds of gas, 2 pounds 15 ounces roughly. Get a clear sight glass. The box is warm and I haven't even adjusted the TXV yet. We're gonna wait for the box to get the set point to do that. Center tube condensing, 25-degree evaporator. See what happens here. So I don't have the compressor superheat right there. I think we want 20 minimums. We'll let this thing run here. 45 degrees now. You can see the compressor superheat's coming around. Subcooling. These units don't run a whole lot of subcooling. So I got 26. I'll post up what I'm getting off the fill piece probes because I got them inside the box there. So they do broadcast out here, but it's broadcasting to my phone. Maybe I'll try and hook up the iPad so you can see it. I think I'm at 7 degrees superheat at the box. So I'm gonna have to pinch that valve down a little bit as it gets to set point. It's at 45 right now. I just closed off the liquid line, king valve there. I'm gonna pump the unit down. I set it to cut in at 25 on this control. It's cut out at 5. We'll see where it cuts out at. That's right there. This one read a little lower, faster. See that little difference in transducers? Alright, let's get her fired back up. The box at temp and the TXV adjusted to 10 degree superheat. There's overheating outside of the compressor. Compressor superheat, 4.5 subcooling. I think that's coming way down. It's about ready to shut off. 94 condensing with an 11-degree evaporator. And that's with the box at 37 degrees. And I think outside ambient's probably 64. It's not too shabby.
What I wanna do. Who said you could do what you do?